The unusual stakes of Scream 7 have been described by one of the franchise's returning star. The slasher franchise, which features various killers wearing the iconic ghost face mask, kicked off with a quartet of Wes Craven movies between 1996 and 2011 before being revived with a legacy sequel in 2022, which itself got a New York set 2023 sequel, Scream 6. The upcoming Scream 7 is set to feature the return of a great number of characters, including the long-time survivor Sidney Prescott, played by Neve Campbell, and Gail Weathers, played by Courtney Cox, as well as the legacy sequel, twin sibling Chad, played by Mason Goodwin, and Mindy Mix Martin, played by Jasmine Savoy Brown, who are the nephew and the niece of the late legacy character Randy Meeks, played by Jamie Kennedy. The supposedly dead Dewey Riley, played by David Arquette, will also appear in some capacity alongside unknown character played by Matthew Lillard and Scott Foley, who previously played the Ghostface Killer, Stu Macer and Roman Brigade, respectively. Per Deadline, Mason Goodwin has described the stake of Scream 7 as being very different from the more expansive urban horror of Scream 6. In addition to calling the story domestic, he described the stake as homely and unconventional. What this means for Scream 7, it ultimately remains to be seen what exactly Mason Goodwin means by calling the new Scream movie domestic. However, it seems like he is hinting at the idea that even though the movie features a robust ensemble of a new character, it may focus primarily on Sydney and her family, namely her husband Mark, played by Joe McHale, and her daughter Isabel May. The ensemble cast of Scream 7 also include Anna Camp, McKenna Grace, Asa German, Jimmy Tatro, Mark Coswella, Celeste O'Connor, Sam Reisner, Michelle Randolph, and Ethan Embry. However, the story could also explain the other returning character in Scream 7. There will be reportedly an in-universe reason why Chad and Mindy return without Sister Sam, who was fired after sharing pro-Palestinian social media posts, and Tara Carpenter, Jenna Ortega, who departed the cast shortly afterward. And this could be linked to those same stakes. Additionally, this teases cast doubt upon one of the biggest theories about the return of Lillard and Foley. If the stakes are less expansive, it seems unlikely that it will be revealed that there is a cabal of still living Ghostface out there. It is much more likely that the actor will either play new role or reprise their original role as hallucinatory ghost, much like Street Ulrich returned as an appropriation of the former Ghostface Billy Loomis in Scream 2022 and Scream 6. Regardless of the reason why the stakes may have changed so dramatically, this is fitting because Scream 7 is a homecoming of sorts. In addition to featuring Neve Campbell returned after sitting out Scream 6 amid contract dispute. The movie is directed by original screenwriter Kevin Williamson, who was not been involved so directly in the franchise since 2011. Release date of this movie is February 27, 2026.